Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with NadZ. It's mango season and we have the juiciest, sweetest Pakistani mangoes ever. A whole lot of them, we got about 40, so we have to do something exciting and creative with them. 10 minutes is all you're gonna need for this no-cook recipe of easy mango mousse. And we have to use these delicious mangoes. I mean, really, wo aami kiya jo meetha na ho. So let's get this recipe started and enjoy it with your family and friends. For the mango mousse itself, all you need for about 4 servings, and it is scalable, are 2 ripe, sweet, and medium-sized mangoes, chopped, and half a cup of light cream, about 25 to 35% fat. If you like your mousse creamier and thicker, then you can add 1 banana to the mangoes.
If the mangoes are not overly sweet, you can add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar or honey.
You can have the mango mousse as is with no garnish at all, or for a more appetizing and appealing look, you can garnish with a 1/4 cup of chopped mangoes with mint sprigs or whipped cream or chocolate shavings or slivers of nuts such as pistachios or almonds. So in a blender, we're going to add our 2 chopped mangoes. And at this point, if your mangoes are not overly sweet, like I said, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey or of brown sugar. If we can blend this to a fine puree, and if you like your mousse to be a little bit creamier and thicker, then you may go ahead and add some, I've added half a banana here. So while we blend this, okay.
As the mangoes are being blended, you can pour out the half cup of cream, ready to be whipped once the mangoes have been blended.
Oh. Let's just check if it's a smooth puree, and yes it is. So we've got a nice smooth mango puree here. Since this is done, we can now actually whip up the cream, and then we're going to add the mango puree to the whipped up cream. So we're going to separately beat the cream with an electric mixer until you see soft peaks in it, and let's ensure that we don't over whip it. We've whipped the bit of cream, and we're just going to add our mango and banana puree here into this mixture, and then just fold it in gently with the spatula as well. No need to use the electric mixer once we mix this in. We've added all our mango banana puree to the whipped cream, and just fold it in, and once it's nicely blended and mixed, we can add this to, we can pour it out or spoon it out into ramekins or small bowls that we have over here, the small ramekins. And then you can cover and chill the mousse for a couple of hours. 1 to 2 is more than enough. And after which you can garnish it. So our mango puree and cream are mixed, and you can just pour them out into little ramekins or small bowls. We've poured all the mango mousse into the ramekins, and we'll just cover them up and refrigerate them for about 2 hours. So let's go ahead and put these in the fridge. So we're back, and our mousse has been chilled. So time to garnish it. It can be served as is as well. However, feel free to garnish it. Let's do different garnishings on ours. So this one is with a bit of almonds and pistachios. We can garnish with mangoes and mint sprigs. There's some fresh mangoes, and we can have so we can use one with whipped cream on top. We can top it up with some more mint. And perhaps some more mangoes, little chopped mangoes.
So there it is with the garnishings. Serve your mango mousse cold.
So there you have it, folks. Easy to make, gluten-free, vegetarian mango mousse dessert. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe down below, turn on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz, bye!